Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in to Protonvpn. Make sure you use the account tied to the subscription you want to cancel. Once logged in, check the subscription page to verify plan name and renewal date so you cancel the correct product. If you paid with card or PayPal, have that info handy in case you need to confirm recent charges. This prevents accidental cancellation of the wrong account and saves time when you proceed to manage billing and subscriptions. Once on the subscription or billing page, locate the active subscription row and click Manage or Cancel. Protonvpn uses clear controls, but sometimes labels differ slightly. After you click Cancel, read the options. You may be offered to pause, downgrade, or cancel immediately, and some plans allow refund requests within a time window. Make sure to choose Cancel Subscription and confirm you understand the effective date. If presented, select a cancellation reason. This is optional, but after confirming cancellation, you should receive an email that states the cancellation is successful and lists the access end date or refund status, so save that message. If you don't get confirmation within 30 minutes, log back into your account to verify the subscription shows as canceled. Make sure to check spam folders too. If it still looks active or billing recurs, contact Protonvpn support with your account email and payment receipt. Keep screenshots and dates to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.